Firstly, we are very excited to have a chance to introduce our Echo project and get chance to find fun for make Echo better. Music has a huge place in lot of us lives. Also music which we listen shows our characteristics. Music maybe isn't vital, but music helps us to feel better. Those are the main reasons why we created. Today's world, people make less contact with each other. So we want to provide more interaction between peoples by using music. In this globalized world, Echo allows you to get interact between you and your friends. Also, Echo allows you to follow your favorite artists and your friends. With these abilities, you can see what your friends listen at this time.
But that's not only promises of Echoes. Echo has great knowledge about songs, albums, and artists. Also, Echo contains millions of musics and it's eager to share those great knowledge with users. You can learn your favorite songs and albums was produced by who with this great knowledge. We give chance to our users to support their favorite artist using by like button. I think most of us tired to listening music with a lot of advertisements on YouTube. At this point, Echo is going to save you from this problem. Our goal is provide users listening their favorite musics uninterrupted and give them quality songs while doing that interact with friends and other users.
As you can see, this entity relationship diagram shows you the relations between the tables in the database. I would like you to focus on the relations table in this diagram. This diagram could mislead you about the information of the relations table. When you follow an artist with your following ID, you will be able to access its songs and albums more easily. However, the relations table only connects the user and artist. However, the relations table not only connects the user and artist. You can follow another user with your user account, so you can access the followed user's playlist. When you follow this user account, the program knows what kind of songs should suggest you with the help of frequency table. Relations table also takes a data immediately after you follow another account. So we can easily calculate how many days you are following this artist or this user.
Echo is totally free for all of users. We want to reach all people who loves listen to music. Most important motivation source is the number of users whose we can touch lives. Considering the possible requests of users, we want to make Echo mobile. We don't want to give users distress. Our users should listen their favorite musics everywhere they want. Also, we need money to improve Echo project and keep it current and permanent. If you want to support us, you can upgrade your account to Premium with affordable price. Premium accounts can create their own playlist except the normal account features. Also, Echo keeps your data safely and based on privacy policy, so you can see what you listened recently. I would like to give you information about coding part now.
Now, when you would like to see what's a certain user following, the program will execute this code segment. We have to look the albums table, artist table, songs table, users table, and the most important table for us, the relations table. Now we would like to see what is this user's username, the followed album names, the followed artist names, and the followed song names. Now we have to set the conditions. We are looking for the user with username, for example Gem, and following ID in the relations table must be equal to the user ID from the users table, and the follower ID must be equal to to the artist ID from the artist table, or the followed ID must be equal to the album ID from the artist table, or the followed ID must be equal to the song ID from the songs table, and then we have to group them by the following ID. And it's done. Let's have a look at another situation. Everybody likes to grade things they really liked or they really hated. We said that users can give stars to the songs which they want to. These rates can be calculated and gives users the feedback about the songs, album, and artist which they graded. So when we want to see a whole look about the artist, the program calculates the stars which you gave. We need the artist table and albums table to do that. And we have to select the artist name from the artist table, and we need the calculation. For the calculation part, we need the sum function, division function, and the count function, which takes a parameter of artist ID from the album table. This count will be giving us the number of songs in the album. Then we need the set condition, the equality of artist ID in each table. Then we group them by artist rate. And these may be shown as artist rate. Then for all calculations, again, we have to check the equality of the artist IDs. Finally, we need to group them by artist name. And that's it.
So our code provides us to change the all songs genre in album. You can see music genre on this page. And now we will change this genre of this album. As you can see, it's changed. Now we are going to show you how to add artists to database. As you can see, Cem Karaca has been added. At last, we are removing this album from the system. Okay, album has been removed. Furthermore, users can give to songs and contribute to improve their rates and support their favorite artists and songs.
We try to think all possible users' requests as we can and try to make best effort for users. Echo will bring the music to your social life. Stay with music.